Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Cash App from all your other devices. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you logged onto Cash App from a phone and you're now about to sell your phone. How do you actually go ahead and log out of Cash App from your other devices? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the first thing that we're going to do is going to go into the Cash App. Now once you're on this page right here, you want to click on the upper right hand corner, your profile icon image. And then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says security and privacy. Once you click on security and privacy, you're going to see your login activity. You want to go ahead and click on your devices. So as you can see here, this right here is where I'm currently logged on to Cash App on all my other devices. What you'll do from here is that you're going to click on log out all other devices. So once you click on that, it's going to log you out of all your other devices. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and log out of Cash App on all your other devices. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.